In this video, I'll show you how you can change your Google account profile picture on your phone or on your PC. Now, whether you're on your phone or your PC, it's the same steps. So what you want to do is head over to a browser, and from in here you want to search for myaccount.google.com. From in here, what you want to do is you want to simply click on your profile picture, press add a profile picture. This is in Danish, so just press add profile picture. And from in here, you should see a ton that you can already choose from. Now you can press on these and open them up, and there will be many more in here, and you can use all of these for free if you want. Now another thing you can do is go to Google Photos, and it will show your photos that you've used on Google. So it's your personal photos and stuff that you have synced with your phone. Another thing is you can go to from your PC or phone if you're on the phone, and you can take a picture or you can upload from your PC, and then you can just choose it in here. So simply do it, put it in here, and you can scale it how you want, then click confirm and you will have the new picture. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.